Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can make whole wheat pancakes. So let's get started. तो सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ पर 1.5 cup of आटा लूँगी. Then I'll mix 2 to 3 spoons of sugar. One spoon of baking soda. A pinch of salt. And 2 spoons of baking powder. So now mix all the dry ingredients very well. Now we're gonna mash 2 bananas. To that mix vegetable oil, a couple of drops of vanilla essence, and 1.5 cup of milk. Now we're going to mix it properly. After that, to make the batter, mix both of them properly. Now spread your batter like this. You can take a spoon or a kerchief like this. And once you see these bubbles popping, just flip it like this and let it cook from other side. You can top it with some fruits, honey or maple syrup, whichever you have at home. Enjoy!